No, 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 no. You can't be in there. You get stuck. No. You just stay out of there. I need my hat back on. Can I have my hat? He just waits till I let my guard down to get in my hair. No. No. See, we don't want him in there because he'll get stuck. And the hair gets wrapped around his feet. Hey! And he doesn't like it when I stop him either. Come on, step up. I don't like to always have to wear a ponytail, but I kind of got it with year round. Hey, do love you. Alright, so just curious, does anybody else have this constant issue with their birds not staying out of their hair? That's my hair. You get tangled. That's mine. My hair. We got tangled once, didn't we? We learned our lesson. I learned my lesson, not to let you in my hair. But you, on the other hand, you keep trying.